Hey guys, and welcome back. The weather has not really been conducive to doing much on the driveway, so I've been spending the time trying to sort this garage out so we can get on with some project in the dry. Soon I will be sorting these wheels out from the Porsche 928 Project Snot Rocket. Don't know what summer has done to these, but they are covered in a really bad coat of paint, so it's going to take me a few days to get these done and cleaned up. I'm going to try and get these to a mirror finish. That's my plan, so keep an eye out for that video. It'll be coming up in a couple of days, and let's see how well I can get these to come up, because at the moment they're horrible. But something that's happened the last couple of days, and I want to say this is living with a classic, but look at this. Look at that. That's a brake disc off a T5 VW van, and my mate was driving it, and his disc just shattered and came off the rim. Look at that. Just absolutely shattered to pieces. So we've been working on my mate's van to get it back on the road, so I'm just going to give you a quick video today so you can see what we did with this. It's not a tutorial, it's essentially just a quick vid of us taking this off the rim, off the hub, and fixing his van to get him back on the road. I hope you enjoy. I'll see you again soon. Cheers. Forgot to point out that. Look at that. See you all in a couple of days with some mirror polished alloys for the Porsche. Either that or some mediocre alloys for the Porsche, because these are the ones that are going back on. So see you soon guys. Cheers.